Good afternoon. Excuse me.
Good afternoon. Yes, please.
Are you by any chance going into town?
Yes, I'm heading downtown.
Could you perhaps give me a lift?
Yes, that's no problem. Please get in.
Thank you very much. That's very kind of you.
You're welcome. There's not much traffic today.
That's good. Unfortunately, there are no trains running today.
Yes, I've heard about it. There's road work.
Exactly. That's why I'm here.
Where exactly would you like to go?
To the market square, please.
No problem. I'm driving past it anyway.
That's perfect. Thanks again.
No problem. Driving alone is often boring.
Yes, we can chat a bit like this.
Where are you from? I'm from a small town nearby.
Were you visiting?
Yes, I was visiting friends.
That sounds nice. Friends are important.
Yes, I think so too.
Do you work in the city?
No, I have the day off today.
That's good. A day off is always nice.
Yes, but it's very warm today.
That's true. Would you like me to open the window?
Yes, please. A little fresh air would be good.
There. It's open now.
Thank you. That's pleasant.
Would you like to listen to some music?
Yes, please. But please keep it quiet.
No problem. I'll turn the radio down.
Perfect.
We're almost in town.
Already? That was quick.
Yes, there's not much traffic today.
That's convenient.
The market square is right there.
Great. Then I can get out here.
Of course.
Thank you very much for the ride.
You're welcome.
Would you like anything?
No, that's not necessary.
Then thank you very much.
No problem. Have a good trip.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Welcome to Sparkle Car Wash.
Hi, I need my car washed.
Sure. What type of wash do you want?
What options do you have?
Basic, deluxe, and premium.
What's included in basic?
Exterior wash and rinse only.
And deluxe?
Exterior wash, wax, and tire shine.
What about premium?
Everything plus interior vacuum and windows.
My car is really dirty inside.
Then premium is best for you.
How much is premium?
$25 for the full service. That's reasonable. I'll take it.
Great choice.
How long will it take?
About 20 minutes.
Can I wait here?
Yes, we have a waiting room inside.
Is there coffee?
Free coffee and snacks for customers.
Wonderful.
Please leave your keys in the car.
Is it safe?
Very safe. We're fully insured.
Should I take my valuables?
Yes, please take anything important.
Let me grab my bag.
We'll call you when it's ready.
Thank you.
The waiting room is through that door.
I see it. Thanks. 20 minutes later. Your car's ready already. That was fast.
Come see how it looks.
Wow, it looks brand new.
The interior is spotless too.
I can smell the freshness.
We used air freshener, pine scent.
I love it. The tires are shining nicely.
They look amazing.
Would you like a membership?
What does membership include?
Unlimited washes for $50 a month.
That's a good deal.
You can come every day if you want.
Let me think about it.
No pressure. Here are your keys.
Thank you so much.
Come back anytime.
I definitely will. Goodbye.
Good morning. Welcome to Clear Vision.
Good morning. I need new glasses.
Do you have a prescription?
Yes, here it is.
Let me see. Your vision has changed.
Yes, my old glasses don't work well.
How old are your current glasses?
About 3 years old.
Time for an upgrade then.
I'm excited to see clearly again.
What style do you prefer?
Something modern and professional for work.
Yes, I'm an accountant.
I have perfect frames for you.
Show me, please.
These silver frames are very popular.
They look nice. Can I try them?
Of course, here you go.
How do they look?
Very professional. They suit your face.
I like the shape.
Not too big, not too small.
Are they comfortable?
Very lightweight titanium.
I can barely feel them. That's the best kind.
Do you have other colors?
Black, gold, and blue.
Let me try the black ones.
Here they are.
I prefer the silver.
Silver matches your hair nicely.
I'll take the silver frames.
Good choice. Now for the lenses.
What options do I have?
Anti-glare, blue light filter, or photochromic.
What's photochromic?
They darken in sunlight, like sunglasses. Exactly. 2 in 1.
Exactly. 2 in 1.
Great for driving.
How much extra is that?
$50 more than regular lenses.
I'll add that.
Smart choice.
When will they be ready?
About 5 days.
Can you call me when ready?
Absolutely. What's your number?
555-234-5678.
Got it. Total is $280.
Here's my card.
See you in 5 days.
Thank you. Bye.
Welcome to Tony's Pizza.
Hi, table for 2, please.
Right this way.
Thank you.
Here are your menus.
This place smells amazing.
We make everything fresh.
I can tell.
I'll give you a few minutes.
Thank you.
A few minutes later, ready to order?
Yes, we'd like 1 large pizza.
What toppings would you like?
What do you recommend?
Our supreme pizza is popular.
What's on it?
Pepperoni, sausage, mushrooms, peppers, and onions.
That sounds great.
Would you like extra cheese?
Yes, please.
Thin crust or thick crust?
Thin crust is better for us.
Anything to drink?
2 lemonades, please.
Coming right up.
How long for the pizza?
About 15 minutes.
Perfect.
Would you like any appetizers?
Do you have garlic bread?
Yes, with or without cheese.
With cheese, please.
Great choice. 15 minutes later,
Here's your garlic bread. It looks delicious.
fresh from the oven.
It's so crispy.
Your pizza will be right out.
We can't wait.
Here comes your supreme pizza.
Wow, it's huge.
Extra cheese as requested.
It smells incredible.
Careful, it's very hot.
Thank you for the warning.
Enjoy your meal.
We definitely will.
After eating, how is everything?
Absolutely delicious.
Would you like dessert? What do you have?
Tiramisu and chocolate cake.
We're too full.
Maybe next time.
Definitely. Can we have the bill?
Of course. That's $35.
Here's $40. Keep the change.
Thank you. Come back soon.
We will. Goodbye. Hi. How can I help you today?
I need to return this shirt.
Sure. What's the problem?
It doesn't fit me.
Is it too big or too small?
Too small.
Do you want to exchange it?
No, I'd like a refund, please.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Let me check. You bought this last week?
Yes, 5 days ago.
Good. We have a 30-day return policy.
That's a relief.
Is the tag still attached?
Yes, I never wore it.
Perfect. Did you wash it?
No, it's completely new. Great, no problem with the return.
Thank you.
How did you pay?
With my credit card.
The refund will go back to your card.
How long will it take?
3 to 5 business days.
That's fine.
Let me process this now.
Thank you for being helpful.
Of course, we want happy customers.
I appreciate that. Would you like to look for a larger size?
Do you have this in large?
Let me check. Yes, we do.
Great, let me try it on.
The fitting room is over there.
Be right back.
After trying.
This one fits perfectly.
Wonderful. Same price.
So I'll get the refund and pay again.
Actually, I can do an exchange.
That's easier. No money needed, just a swap.
Perfect.
Here's your new receipt.
Thank you so much.
Happy to help.
Great customer service here.
Come back anytime.
I will. Goodbye. Welcome to Pretty Nails.
Hi, I want to get my nails done.
Do you have an appointment?
No, I'm a walk-in.
That's okay. We can take you now.
Great. What service would you like?
A manicure, please. Regular or gel polish?
What's the difference?
Regular lasts about a week.
And gel?
Gel lasts 2 to 3 weeks. No chipping.
Gel sounds better.
It does cost more.
How much more?
Regular is $20. Gel is $35.
I'll do gel. It's worth it.
Good choice. Please sit here.
Thank you. First, I'll remove your old polish.
Okay. Then I'll shape your nails.
I want them round, not square.
Round is very elegant. That's what I like.
Now let me push back your cuticles.
Is that important? Yes, it makes nails look longer. Interesting. What color would you like?
Can I see the colors?
Here's our color selection. So many choices.
Take your time.
I like this dark red.
Beautiful.
Very classic. It matches my dress.
Perfect for any occasion.
Let's do it. I'll apply the base coat first.
How many coats total?
Base, 2 color coats, and top coat.
That's a lot. Each coat is cured under UV light.
That's what makes it last.
Exactly. My nails look amazing.
Almost done. 1 more coat. They're so shiny. That's the gel finish.
I love them.
Your total is $35. Here's $40. Keep the tip. Thank you so much.
Thank you for the beautiful nails.
Come back in 3 weeks.
I will. Bye.
Excuse me. Does the 42 bus stop here?
Yes, it does.
Thank goodness. I wasn't sure.
Are you new to this area?
Yes, I just moved here.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you. Everyone is so friendly.
We try to be helpful.
Do you know how often the bus comes?
Every 15 minutes usually. That's not too bad.
It's pretty reliable.
What time did the last one come?
About 10 minutes ago.
So the next one is soon.
Should be here in 5 minutes.
Perfect timing.
Where are you going?
To the shopping mall.
That's where I'm going too.
Really? What stop is it?
About 8 stops from here.
How long does that take?
About 20 minutes.
That's convenient.
Much easier than driving.
No parking problems.
Exactly. And it's cheaper.
How much is the fare?
$2 for a single trip.
I have exact change.
You can also get a day pass.
What's a day pass?
Unlimited rides for $5.
That's a good deal if you take multiple trips.
Maybe next time.
Look, the bus is coming.
I see it.
Let me get my card ready.
I'll have my change ready.
After you.
Thank you. On the bus.
Sit here. There are 2 seats.
Thanks. This is comfortable.
The buses are modern now.
I noticed the air conditioning.
Much better than the old buses.
I'll announce when we arrive.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Enjoy your shopping.
You too.
Fresh fruits today. Come and see.
Good morning. Everything looks fresh.
Good morning. Yes, just arrived.
Where do these oranges come from?
Florida. Very sweet and juicy.
How much per pound?
$2 per pound.
Give me 2 pounds, please.
Good choice. Anything else?
Do you have ripe bananas?
These are perfect, ready to eat.
They look good.
$1 per pound.
1 pound, please.
Here you go.
What about strawberries?
These strawberries are from local farms.
Are they sweet?
Very sweet. Try one.
Delicious. I told you.
I'll take a box.
That's $4 for the box.
Worth it for that taste.
They're organic, too.
Even better.
Need any vegetables?
Yes, I need tomatoes.
Roma or regular tomatoes?
What's the difference?
Roma is better for cooking.
I want them for salad.
Then take these regular ones.
How much?
$3 per pound. Give me 1 pound.
These are very ripe and red.
They look perfect.
Anything else today?
Maybe some apples.
Red, green, or mixed?
Green apples, please.
Granny Smith. Very crispy.
My favorite kind.
How many do you want?
6 apples, please.
That's about 1.5 pounds.
How much is that?
Apples are $2.50 per pound, so $3.75.
Great.
Let me calculate everything.
Okay.
Oranges, $4, bananas, $1, strawberries, $4, tomatoes, $3, apples, $3.75.
What's the total?
That's $15.75.
Here's $20. Your change is $4.25.
Thank you.
Come back next week.
I will. Bye. Good morning. What can I get you?
Good morning. I need coffee badly.
Rough morning.
Didn't sleep well last night.
Coffee will help.
I hope so.
What type of coffee do you like?
Something strong, please.
Espresso? Americano? Latte?
What's the strongest?
A double espresso?
That sounds perfect.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Coming right up.
Actually, what's an Americano?
Espresso with hot water.
Is it less strong?
A bit, but still powerful.
I'll stick with espresso.
Good choice for energy.
Do you have any pastries?
Yes, fresh croissants and muffins.
What kind of muffins?
Blueberry, chocolate, and banana nut.
Blueberry sounds good.
Warmed up?
Yes, please.
It's better warm.
I agree.
Here's your espresso.
Thank you.
Be careful, it's very hot.
I'll wait a minute.
And here's your warm muffin.
It smells amazing.
Fresh from the oven.
I can see the blueberries.
We don't skimp on berries.
That's why I come here.
You've been here before. Yes, many times.
Thank you for coming back.
Best coffee in town.
That means a lot.
How much do I owe?
Espresso $3, muffin $3.50.
So $6.50.
Yes, that's right.
Here's $7.
Your change is 50 cents.
Keep it.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Feel more awake.
Already do.
Bye.